Hello everyone, it's Car Spy 2000 here. Today, I just got a new car from Target, at my local Target. It's the 1994 Audi RS2 Avant. Now you actually have heard about this car. Dr. Mio does reviewed and actually has one. Illegal to be imported to the U.S. So we might probably will see one. But I don't know. We might see one. Around here. But let's take a closer look at this one. This is a new car from the 2021 series. It's something else I've never seen before, even for an Audi. Now let's go take a look in the back and see what it said. Yeah, it was. It's a little hard to see though. Alright, here's what it said. Yep, Germany. It's made in Germany like every German car. But now let's read the rest of this. This RS2 Avant, it's just a 5-door luxury wagon from the outside. But this limited edition model from Audi is a true sports car. Equipped with a 6-speed standard transmission, full-time four-wheel drive, and a 2.2-liter 20-volt turbo i5 engine. The RS2 can reach a top speed of 163 miles per hour. It's unreal, even for an Audi. Now let's go take a look at this car a lot closer. Shall we? Here it is. But this is a cool looking Audi. And most other Audi models I've collected so far. Really how they do this Audi? All the details and the man to act of this Audi. Really, the color on this one, blue. Just like the actual version. This RS2 Avant. Well, I did very good on this one. But, make sure you get ready. Make sure you get ready for the next one. We'll be doing more of them soon on the channel. Well, take care, everyone. Goodbye.